Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Then you need to choose Bluetooth and click on this switcher to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show up and tap on the chosen one. Now you need to wait for the pop-up and select Pair. After that, you need to wait again, but this time for the other smartphone to answer to your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this little icon next to the device, tapping on Unpair, and now they are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!